Okay, folks. We like to say...
This is a great idea, so follow this throughout the tournament. There's a lot of prizes on offer, so be interesting to see in a week or so how many points players can accumulate. Who's your dream?
What are we talking about, cricket?
The points.
You've got to
in
have
a week's time. Come on, give it to me. I want it.
You've got to have an all-rounder, so I'm not 100% sure.
Come on, get off the fence.
I'm not on the fence yet. I haven't named anyone.
Shoot me a name.
Definitely not Chris Gale.
Okay, well,
I'm going to say that now, given that he was on the screen. Out. Gone. It's a very simple decision. No one really getting up and about either, because it was that regulated. Thomas picks up the wicket. And it's Jason Mohammed.
Yeah, this is a big wicket. Jason Mohammed was trying to get himself established. He goes for 4. And now another one falls. It's 83 for 3. Yeah, Hassan Ali, who is familiar with taking wickets of recent times. He did it so well with Pakistan in the Champions Trophy. It hasn't taken him long in his debut season, the CPL. And I think he did give us something that was pretty close to an El Dorado celebration.
Across the stumps this time. Walton, just a single again.
That I think Danny Morrison sort of tagged him with that nickname, Dark and Stormy.
That doesn't surprise me, Mr. Morrison.
Yeah, watch this. There's a touch of Dale Steyn in that. There's, to me, if you had to look at Dale Steyn's action and Hassan Ali from side on, it's very, very similar. I like this guy's action.
And I think it's the flatness of the gather as well. He doesn't have a high gather. We talked in the last couple of weeks about Elise Perry, the Australian all-rounder, how high her bound is, for example.
Looks for the Yorker. Bowl, 45 balls that are getting on for almost...
Samuel Badri stopped me on the way over to talk to Kat, and he said, look, it's a good pitch. I'm not sure the ball, though, I disagree with him slightly, I'm not sure the ball is coming on as nicely as times past.
That's picked up. How well has he picked this up? Not well enough. Straight into the basket. A deep mid-wicket. And another perishes for the cause. Taylor's got to go. King it is who's taken the catch. So the flags are flying for the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots. As Taylor departs for 7, it's 95 for 4.
Well, a couple of things could be possible for this dismissal here. One, I said, pitch is a bit dry, so the ball isn't quite coming on as maybe batsman would have hoped. And then he's hitting slightly into the wind.